to call this the circle of law. This is like, what do you do with a piece of content? One piece of content is not one piece of content. It's all these different things that you see here, right? So, you can do a presentation. When we do these webinars, we send emails after with the recordings. We put the videos on YouTube. We create podcasts. We take the transcript that automatically is created in YouTube. We'll make multiple articles out of it. We'll add them to the distribution list. We'll post this information on our bios. We'll link to it on LinkedIn. We'll do multiple LinkedIn posts about it. It gets picked up by JD Supra. And then, so this is one of the ways to sell this to your attorneys. This costs them next to nothing. And just by spending a little bit of time to do one thing, they get all this additional content and benefit out of it.
It's amazing. I love this. I talk about how you can get like 9 posts out of one piece of content. And I'll talk about that a little bit later, but especially for us where you have less content. And let me tell you something, big firms have too much content that they can't do this. We are in a better position. So this is something you can really leverage, and every darn webinar that you're putting on, every video, you can get the transcript. When you post a video on YouTube, if you click the 3 little dots on the right-hand side, you can see the transcript, then remove the timestamp, and then click the whole darn thing, and you've got yourself a transcript. I'm telling you, I didn't know about that. If you don't want to spend the money on a transcription service, you can do this.
And it's not perfect. You do have to spend a little time going through it, but it's immediate and free.